Got one of my doors set up in the shop. Track on this side. A metal track on that side. It's hooked up, so I'm gonna test it and see how it goes. Got these just to keep it from blowing in the wind right now. That's not gonna hold. Yeah, that thing didn't hold there. It's gonna need some type of angle iron or piece of metal across here with a bracket. And it's not going back to its position. Other than that, it looked like it was going to work pretty well, so that's good. See, I had to cut this lower here. The hangers at the top, so they drop down underneath this beam at the top, or else it wouldn't have opened. But it's got to somehow pop itself back up, maybe a couple springs. So that's one door. Now that's the idea of how they will operate. I just kind of drilled a hole and hammered this thing in because it's really dull at the end. It wasn't going through much. Not much thread on it, so just ripped it right out of there.